Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Running Python code in Visual Studio Code is a straightforward process, and here's a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through it. Make sure you have Visual Studio Code and the Python extension installed before you start. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website. Once installed, open Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions view, Ctrl+Shift+X or CMD+Shift+X on Mac OS. Search for Python in the Extensions view and install the one provided by Microsoft. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new Python file. You can do this by selecting File, New File and saving it with a .py extension, for example, my_script.py. Write your Python code in the editor. For example, before running your code, you need to select the Python interpreter for your project. You can do this by clicking on the bottom right corner where it says Select Python Interpreter. Choose the Python interpreter you want to use from the list. Now, it's time to run your Python code. You can do this in several ways. Using the Run button, in the top menu, you will find a green triangle button with Run Python File in Terminal. Click on it to execute your script. Using the context menu, right-click anywhere in the editor and select Run Python File in Terminal from the context menu. Using the terminal, open the integrated terminal by selecting View Terminal or pressing Ctrl+backtick. In the terminal, type Python my_script.py and press Enter to run your script. The output of your Python script will be displayed in the terminal at the bottom of the Visual Studio Code window. Congratulations! You have successfully run a Python script in Visual Studio Code. This simple tutorial should help you get started, and you can explore more advanced features as you become more familiar with the environment. ChatGPT